This is lesson 58, multiplying three-digit numbers for Saxon 4. So when you're multiplying three-digit numbers, it's the same as if you're multiplying two-digit numbers or one-digit numbers by the one-digit number. So let's take a look at 365 times 4. Okay, so I'm going to do the multiplication over here, but I'm also going to show you what's actually happening over here so you just understand the expanded version of it. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. So what I just did, okay, was 4 times 5, which equaled 20. Okay, now obviously I can't keep that 20 in the ones column, so I'm going to take it, leave it with 1, and I'm going to remind myself to carry that 20 down here. Okay, now I am now doing 4 times 60 plus 20. Okay, that's what I'm doing. 4 times 60 plus 20. Now, we don't say it like that a lot of the time. We say it 4 times 6 plus 2 because it's easier for us to get. So I'm going to do that. 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Okay, so I carry the 6, or put the 6, carry the 2. Now what's actually happened is 4 and 60 makes 240 plus 20, okay, makes 260. But I can't keep the hundreds in the tens column, so I'm going to take this 100 and I'm going to add it down here. Okay, now I'm going into this column. So what I'm looking at is 4 times 300 plus 200. But I don't normally say it like that. I say it 4 times 3 plus 2. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. What's actually happened is 4 times 3 is 1,200 plus 200 is 1,400. Okay, and so I have 1,400 plus 60 plus 0. 1,400 plus 60 plus 0. Okay, this is just the expanded version of this, just so you actually understand what's happening in each column. But this is what you'll be doing in your books a lot of the time. Again, all you did was take this number, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 3. Remember to carry over as you would, just like in addition. Let's do another one together. This time, let's look at 256 times 3. Okay, now again, I'm going to do the expanded version over here. This is the simplified version that you'll be using. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 10. What I've just done is 3 times 6 equals 18. Now, of course, I can't keep the 10 in the ones column, so I moved that into the tens column. Okay, now I'm doing 3 times 5, or 3 times 50. Add 10. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So I would do the 6, carry the 1. What's actually happened is 3 times 50, which is 150. Okay, plus the 10 would be 160. The 60 got to stay. The 100 had to move columns. And I'm now doing 3 times 2, or 3 times 200 plus the 100. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, or 3 times 200 is 600, plus the 100 is 700. And now I add them up. 700 plus 60 plus 8. 700 plus 60 plus 8. Okay, both of them get you the same answer. This is just an expanded version. This is a simplified version. Again, you're timesing your ones, tens, hundreds. That is lesson 58, multiplying 3-digit numbers by 1 digits for Saxon 4.